check this out. I am holding the Artron Sperm only male fertility test for self-testing. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Martha Tara Lee, relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. Subscribe below so you never miss a thing. I have a lot of clients who are trying to conceive, and they come to me because they have sexual difficulties. However, what about checking their body out biologically? So besides going to a clinic for testing, now there's the option to test for the sperm concentration. So this doesn't test for the sperm quality, how strong it is. It doesn't test for the shape, but it does test for the volume. So it says here test for normal or low sperm concentration. The good thing about this is it's only $45 on the 2+ Fertility website in Singapore. It's convenient to use, confidential, highly accurate, and clinical quality. The accuracy is about 98.6% agreement with laboratory recommended sperm concentration diagnostic testing, which means it is about 99% accurate as per if you did it in the lab. But of course, you have to read the instructions carefully and follow it. What you're looking for is you want to have this double line. Double line is good. Okay. In this case, double line means you have 15 million or more sperm in per ml. So 15 million is a healthy indicator. And then there's low. They will tell you under C. And then there's invalid. So don't be discouraged if it's low because it's actually quite common. 15 million is actually a really high percentage. So let me go through what's in this box. It has a collection cup, so you ejaculate the semen inside it, and it's, according to the instructions, it's very important that you ejaculate all of the semen inside so that you can get an accurate testing of the volume. So you let it sit for 20 minutes to 3 hours. Let it sit. And then after that, you use this applicator to stir it properly so it's well distributed, I guess. And then you use this applicator to draw up the semen up to the black line. So what if it's not as much as the black? Then the test wouldn't be as accurate. Okay, so this is to the black line, and then what you do is you then go into this liquid. So you have to open the cap, of course, and you deposit the semen inside very carefully into the liquid, and you then shake it for 5 to 10 times. It's very important that you don't shake it vigorously. They do not want it to become foamy. Then it will affect the results. Then from there, you let it sit as well for 2 minutes, I believe. Let it sit for 2 minutes, correct? And then you go into this device, the testing measurement itself, and you drip it inside, and then you wait for the results for up to 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, you'll be able to get the results. So the test by itself is not really 10 minutes because that's the waiting time as well. Yeah. So read results only from after 5 to 10 minutes. So you have to really read the booklet carefully because the instructions inside are not just as simple, because you do want to make sure you have accurate tests, but it does give you an option to be able to do this at home so that you do something that's more affordable first, and if you have any concerns, you can go, of course, to a doctor for more advice. So I hope this answers perhaps some of your questions around something like this, how to use this, and I definitely recommend it because it's quite affordable. And there are many other products that I have reviewed for 2+ Fertility. I'm not being paid for it. I do this because so many of my clients have questions around conception, and it's so important to alleviate their fears and their concerns by supporting them, by providing more information. So this has been Dr. Martha Tara Lee, relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. Go and check out my website, subscribe to my mailing list so you never miss a thing. That's eroscoaching.com.